Here I have LG X Power2 and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Here you need to find and select the upper bar, and if you would like to quickly open Do Not Disturb from the following icon, let's choose Do Not Disturb. Right now, as you can see, the icon of Do Not Disturb should pop up right here, and if you would like to find some settings connected with Do Not Disturb, let's choose the settings icon. Then from the following list, let's choose the sound and notifications, scroll down, and here you have to find Do Not Disturb. Here you can enable or disable this mode, or you can tap on Do Not Disturb to edit some settings. Here you can, for example, choose general, so you can here choose priority only or total silence. Let me choose priority only. You can choose the end time of Do Not Disturb. You may select some priorities, so you can handle with repeat callers, app notifications. You can accept some calls and messages from someone. You can use the schedule time, so you can turn on the Do Not Disturb every weekend, every weeknight, or every other rule. Let's go back, and that's it. Now you may use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.